What's up, guys? Today we will be playing Fortnite Bot Lobbies, but I do have the Mythic Hunting Rifle, so I am planning to do some trick shots and bully some bots. So yeah, let's just get on with it. Kit, probably gonna. We don't talk about that or that. First try. First try. Oh. First try. Finally. Alright. Now we got easy. That was so easy. And you might be wondering why I have a gummy 0 point right on my back. The reason is, I just want to get more Sprite Dust. I had 100k, but I spent it on every single Sprite. I had to get them back. But, yeah. And the Gummy 0 point, Gummy gives you 10% more Sprite Dust. So, that means I can get more Sprite Dust with one Sprite. And then I can just buy more Sprite. And I don't have to risk losing it because I'm in bot lobbies with only bots. Which, by the way, suck at the game. Kid. Let me just be evil. Just try to. Okay. Now let's go for the no-scope. Oh. Kind of missed both the no-scopes. Oh, right to the head, 289. Easy. First try. Oh, let me go extract these. Oh, wait, never mind. Those kids. I'm gonna fight these kids. Or hunting for them. Watch this. Nope. This one. Oh. First try. 200. Oh. 200. Dead. 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 Ooh. First try. First try. Easy. That was a headshot. That was 100% a headshot. Still hit it. Okay, let me go extract these sprites. Actually, they might have some sprites. Nah. Let me just start it and then go look. Pretty sure. Yeah, let me just throw some down. Just in case they have like a lot. Oh, why did I shockwave horizontally, not diagonally? Oh, King Sprite right there. Yeah. Guzzle juice. Let me drink this so I'm full health. Guzzle juice doesn't work in Storm for some reason, by the way. It just, like, doesn't. I don't know why, but... Yeah, so let me throw this, get that, and... Wait, did one of my sprites leave, or was that the only one I put down? But, yeah. So, now I have 49k Sprite Dust. So, yeah. I will be opening this so I have at least one Sprite. Oh, a self-revive. I need that. And by the way, this is a voiceover. So, I might not be 100% accurate. Because every time I try, like, editing with the voice that's already in the thing, it doesn't work. So, now I'm just going to do voiceovers for the rest of my videos. And, yeah. Because I need to pay money to extract the audio. I need to get Pro. And you only get 9 of those, so I don't feel like doing that. But yeah, I'm just going to shockwave onto this kid. Oh wait, no, never mind. There's no kids. Were there? Yeah, no. Let's go to Frosty Flights. The Frosted, I don't even know what it's called. But, yeah. I thought I saw a kid, but I didn't. Ooh, you're gonna have to watch this. No, not that one. I lost that kid, and then I'm gonna go for this fire sprite up here, and turn around and get the other sprite. And now watch this. This is like amazing. Ooh, easy first, and then second kid 105, and then 105 again, and then miss, and then shotgun. That was just like clean. And then I swapped my fire sprite out for a king sprite, so just in case I extracted it, I would have more dust than if I had only fires and no epics. And then I need a heal, so I put down my hunting rifle. I see another king sprite, so I get that. I haven't seen any ghost sprites in a while, actually. Any ghost or kings. I mean, not kings. Ghosts or demons. I haven't seen... I'm pretty sure Demon Galaxy is not out yet. But everything else I have in Galaxy. As I'm doing the voiceovers. But if you're this far in the video and still haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. You should just like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and helps me out a lot. Because I'm currently trying to get to 50 subs and I'll be posting every day. I'm gonna go check this sprite chest just in case, because who knows, it could have a demon, a galaxy demon. But and apparently the 0 point sprite only spawns in one location, because I'm pretty sure Fortnite leaked that. It said a mythic sprite spawns in one location, but I don't know which one it is. And then also, more leaks for Thursday. I saw this in the feed. There will be a soccer ball sprite, a I don't know what it's called, a fish stick sprite, and eventually there will be a John Wick sprite. I don't know when though, but yeah, there will be. And then there are 4 sprites coming out this Thursday. I don't remember all the names of them. I could go check, but I don't feel like it. I'll probably post a short about that. And let me just quickly... Oh, Perry the Platypus stole my kill. 200. But yeah. Need to go get those finishes. The bush blocks him. I still hit him. Where's Perry? I need to get the king sprite because, you know, sprite dust. Kind of low on it. Only have 49,000. No, 50,000 now. But yeah. The bad thing about bot lobbies is you get less. Oh, easy no scope. No scope. What I was saying is the bad thing about bot lobbies is you get less sprite dust for doing stuff. And here, I chose to hold a chug jug instead of a sprite. And I don't know why I didn't, I marked all the sprites, but I didn't do the thing. And a little bit ago, I had 100k, but I lost it because I had to respawn all my galaxies, because this was after this recording. I had to respawn all my galaxies because I got them from this kid, but he wanted all of his back, so I had to give them all back. And I just had to pay for them to get them back, like with Sprite dust. So I had 100K, went down to 40K, and now I'm back at 100K. I don't have 100K in this video though. I got it a little bit after this. But yeah. Okay. Let me just try no scoping this kid. Doesn't work out. Let me try again. No. And no. And that's the win. So yeah. Peace. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.
Promise you you'll